What's up, GNC RC gang? Back once again with another quick video. So I've been getting a lot of people asking me what was that on this particular video. Before I tell you and show you what it actually is, I'm going to show you why I use it. SCX24 RC 4-wheel drive Trail Finder 2. The 124. Look at the size of those wheels and tires versus those size of wheels and tires. So I needed a little something to help me get over that area. When I designed that particular course, I designed it with this size vehicle in mind. And it's a little bit too small for this vehicle, but it does what I needed to do. The main goal was to get some areas that are really challenging. For this one, out of the box, this is not going to do what this one does. Plus, this is a whole totally different vehicle. You don't have all this articulation out of the box. So it never would have made it out in that area if I didn't use that. It is a bag of 3-pound kinetic sand. Really simple. This stuff, you can shape it pretty much the way you want to shape it. And you will see me use this from time to time for traction. You'll see me doing articulation test. And it kind of stays together. But it does stay together. I got some areas on my course that are really challenging and it doesn't have much grip. So this gives you a whole lot more traction and I can pretty much shape it any way I want to shape it. So on that particular video, I kind of filled in the gaps that were a little bit too large for this. This will make it, but it's real hard because this bumper will catch in certain areas. So this is why I use that. I will put a link in the description below to the bag that I bought. Pretty much all the same, you just get different colors, but I will put a link in the description. Just want to show you guys this because I had several people that asked me what was I using. I even had people to email me to ask me what I was using. I just wanted to show you guys that. Until next time, guys, this is GNC RC. Thanks for watching.